So here are the sample for the producer for the US market. We have many sizes, 12 by 17, 11 by 14, all common sizes. And we have them in HDPE or LDPE, whatever you want. These are very common for the supermarket for storing vegetable or fruit. You see they are very clear, very sturdy, and all of them are made with virgin material, so they are food safety. You can confidently put your food in there, the vegetable in there, there will be no problem. Here's the LDPE version, very easy to tear off, very clear also, and also very strong. And all of them have the printing, warning printing for the law in the US. So yeah, you can trust us in manufacturing these items. We have a lot of experience.